locking and unlocking the electronic parking brake on a 2017 Mazda 3. All we're doing is putting 12 volts directly into the electronic parking brake. It's just a 12 volt motor. To engage the parking brake and to disengage it, we put 12 volts the other way. So we're going to use a power supply to disengage it. Or, well, hold on, let's check. It's disengaged right now. So now we're going to put 12 volts to disengage it. Or to engage it, to turn it on. And now we change the 12 volt polarity. See, there you go. Just use 12 volts. No fancy computers required.